ko.
I'm sorry.
Makate!
Oh, leave it. Don't do it.
Hi guys!
Bye-bye.
No, hi!
Only hi.
Hi guys!
Hi. No.
No. I said hi
Nothing.
guys!
Nothing.
I said hi guys!
Hi, guys.
Nakon.
I didn't hear, guys.
It's me again, Chinita Laine. Good day sa ating lahat and... Ano ba? Ay, ang gaya-gaya si Lola. So, ngayon, magme-makeup challenge tayo. Ako ang imi-makeup ni Lola. Akshab, you make me yafa.
Okay, then.
Ako Ken. With this one, ayan, ang ating mga gamit ay ito. May mga long-lasting, para saan to? Eyeliner din. Tapos ito naman, eyeshadow at saka ito din, eyeshadow. Meron din tayong anong tawag dito? Hindi kasi ako mahilig guys sa mga makeup. So,
How about you?
ze beseder mami.
Oh, okay.
Only cream and lipstick, blush on lang ang gamit ko. Hindi ako gumagamit nito. Nabili lang ito dati. Parang hindi ko din nagamit lahat. Minsan lang. So, ayan. Yan, BB. Meron din tayong primer. Primer ba ang tawag dito? Ito, basta. Ilalagay din ito. And then, meron tayong pa-brush sa ating blush on. Pero, wala na pala yung blush on ko. Ang mayroon tayong blush on is ito. Lalagay lang siya sa kamay at igaganon. And then, meron din tayong MAC. Mama, isushow ko sa inyo kung ano ito. Pero ang alam ko dito sa eyeshadow. And meron din tayong 4 na lipstick. Yan. Revlon. Dali lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kasama si Lola. May Revlon tayo na 050 ang kanyang color. Color couture. Couture ba ang tawag dyan? Yan. Op. Ang tagal basta yan. And then, meron din tayong hot red ng 274. Yan. And then, meron pa rin tayong Revlon na Hydregia ng 825. Tsaka ito, walang Crimson ng 29. Ayan. Oops. Ay. Ayan. Ang color niya is brown. Ayan. Yun lang ang ating mga gagamitin. Ito pala yung MAC 02. Ang kanyang 02 ang kanyang number. Ito ay brown and dark brown and brown. So, eyeshadow ito. So, Akshab, we do our makeup challenge. We call it...
Do it.
No. You do it for me.
I cannot.
No. You can do whatever you want. You make me a fa.
But I don't know what this to do.
It's
I make
okay.
it nothing.
It's okay, mommy.
Okay, what?
Do
I
what
try.
you want. Yeah, Yofi, try it and make me a fa.
Okay.
Do
Yeah, so you felt so it's on this.
to daraba.
Sure.
You
Look good, very
make
nice.
me more, Yafa.
No, this is enough.
No, more, Yafa.
I know what you said.
I want more, Yafa.
Okay,
Ayan.
beautiful.
So, maglagay na tayo ng ito para medyo makuha niya yung aking face lock. Asa yung
Yes. It's too much.
Tignan natin kung gaano magandang mag-makeup si Lola. You have only 5 minutes, Mami. Mami,
What?
you have only 5 minutes.
Oh, only 5 minutes.
Nako, challenge.
I have to make it. I have to sit.
Make me a fa, Mami.
Hello? Yeah, my father without this. Really, my father.
Make me more. 5 minutes, Mami. You have 5 minutes.
But I have to take this. I have to put the never one.
Okay.
Oh, okay. But you don't have to make this.
Mami,
Your
biba ka
color,
siya.
your color is better.
Biba ka siya, Mami.
Okay.
This is a challenge.
Right.
More?
Oh, this is one. This one. But 1 minute.
Efo,
Okay.
tingnan natin kung gaano. Ayan, meron na bang nangyayari? Meron akong pimples, guys. Meron kasi
I love the bubble.
Ayan. Magtatayo na kami ng parlor. Beauty parlor dito sa Bubbly. You have more 4 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes I finish.
Yofi. Kamesh dakot. Only kamesh dakot.
But this one came by.
Erase.
I will put the black one of this. נכון?
Ani יפה עכשיו?
יפה מאוד. קודם היית גם יפה. It was before also יפה. You had this. But this makes you. We have to put
יפה.
a
כן,
little
שם
bit black.
יש שם. seryoso si Lola. עכשיו זה בסדר?
A little bit more. It's not too right here. But now it is.
Pantay na ba?
Okay, let's see if I have what you said.
Ayan. May pagbabago ba? So, put more, Mommy. Put more. This
More?
is eyeshadow.
This?
Ken.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Matrot sa
With this?
Lolo Ze. Matrot sa Mami Ze o this one, the pencil? Pencil. Ze gampo.
The white, I think.
This is green, like this one.
Like this is beside.
And this is like this.
Okay.
Or this one, matrot sa.
I think this one I take better.
Yo,
This one,
do.
you know better, right?
Mommy.
I don't know, I've come.
Mahirap palang magpa-challenge kay
You have to
Lola.
take with this here.
No.
No, with this. This one.
Or this one.
This.
This.
This one. Oh, this one. This one.
What do you think?
Because you have the color over there.
Okay.
A nice one. A close one eye and see. No, see if I have to tell you to do it. I don't think that I have to do it.
But do Mami. You have more 4 minutes.
Okay, but let's go. Which one I take? This one or this one? Which? I don't know.
Do
This is
whatever.
too dark.
Whatever you want,
I don't know.
Manze. This one, this one, this one. Which is
No,
better?
this is better.
Ayofi.
Okay, I take this.
Yeah.
What can be? Okay.
We'll see later. If it's nice.
It's only here, נכון? Oh, it's too dark. זה בסדר. You're laughing, yeah?
You have more 4 minutes, Mommy.
Okay, זה בסדר.
Wala naman? Meron ba?
No, but you don't go so with your eyes. You go so.
Besedel.
No,
And
no, no.
maod.
So, no.
Maod,
Why?
ze.
Tell me what you want.
This one.
Where you put this one?
Ay, nasaan ang eyeshadow?
Oh, take that enough.
This one, mami.
Where I have to put?
This po.
Down? I think we don't need. It's the same brown like. Okay, you
This
want?
is blue, mami. This is blue.
Yes, but over there is nice. Okay, do it. You want?
Eko. Makati!
I'm sorry.
Makati!
Oh, leave it. Don't do it.
Po, mami. Ze.
I'm sorry.
Lolo. Ze. Po, mami.
Mother.
Po. Ze.
Oh, you.
The dark one, dark.
This one did not. Yeah,
Ken.
I have to put it. Do I have enough? You have enough
No, N.
to take?
Ken. Walang pagbabago naman yung ginagawa ni Lola ko sa akin. Paano yan make-up challenge na yan? Ayaw niya ng Ze Harbe, mami.
It's coming after this.
Ken, Ze Beseder Aksha.
You said that?
Put it
Okay.
here. Put it here.
Here too?
No, mami
only
po.
on this? Ah.
Ken.
I have to make it. Well, it's too dark.
Kilay is life.
1 minute. Watch you.
20 minutes na tayo dito. Hindi pa tapos.
Look if it's beside you.
Ken.
Okay, now the other one.
Ken.
Okay, beside you.
What do you think? Ze Beseder? Odd, mami, Ze.
What do you want now?
Blush on.
Well,
Po.
on the face.
Ken.
With my
on.
finger?
Ken.
I take this and you want here?
More.
Here, nakon. No, I didn't take. Only to show you.
Nakon. Video.
Okay.
More.
Yes, too much. It not come out, so. Beside you?
N, mami.
Beside you?
N.
What?
N.
And?
Ken. I see N.
Oh.
Nothing.
As I said, I have to do this.
More.
More here.
Odd, mami.
Here.
Odd pam.
It's too much. It's not beside, look at.
Okay.
Is that beside you?
Okay, later.
Beside you? Okay.
More, mami. More.
No,
More.
don't like. It's going to be too red.
I'm clown. Put more, mommy.
No, look at it. What I have to do.
But N.
No, it's enough.
N, mommy. You see
No,
N.
you have to make more. No, I think they're the same. Okay, I have in my hand. Take more.
Wala siyang ginawa.
Okay. I think that's enough. Well, enough. I think there's
Cedar.
more here.
Cedar. I want lipstick now. This is I want.
Okay, you can put the lipstick by
red.
yourself.
No.
On your mouth?
Can.
You can do it?
No, it's a challenge.
Okay.
Put.
That's enough?
Okay.
What's it? You want to beside them?
Aniya fa.
Oh, yeah. I beside them, don't put more.
Aniya fa. Akshab aniya fa. Let's
you
see,
must be
guys.
yourself.
Walang nangyari naman sa aking mukha.
Make it
Meron
some.
ba?
Enough. Make it some.
Lipstick lang ang
Okay, so
nadagdag.
beside them.
Diba? Tsaka
Oh, now
kilay.
it's beside them. Then I'm you do it. I don't do it.
Akshab. Let's see. Charan. Walang pagbabago, guys.
Beautiful. If I know.
Na yafa mi od daw ako.
No, here is not so yafa. Here is not so yafa like here.
Ah.
Not
Sa personal daw,
really?
mas yafa kaysa dyan.
Okay, yafa, but here better.
Tudara ba, mami?
Yeah,
Tuda,
welcome.
tuda. Mwah. May lipstick
Oh,
siya.
no, bye-bye.
Yan. So guys, thank you for watching our makeup challenge for
Okay,
today.
I'll find out.
Yeah, Femi od. Tudara bara bara ba.
There
Bye,
is
guys.
More yap than here. You know? Here is, the natural is better than the picture.
Sa personal daw, mas maganda kaysa sa picture. So, thank you.
You're welcome.
And thank you guys for
Come
watching.
every time.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah.